I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing some of y'all that are just scared to death to make you some biscuits. Honey, this is a 4-ingredient biscuit. It can be 3 ingredients if you leave off the butter, but I don't suggest you leave off the butter because that's what's going to make it good and crispy on the bottom, and so all that goodness we don't want to miss out on. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of them, but this is the Sprite Biscuits. And like I said, you got 4 ingredients. You got some Sprite, some sour cream, some Bisquick, and some butter. I got my oven back there. She's thinking about getting, she's at 420. We need her to get to 450. So she'll be hollering in a minute. She's ready. All right, so I'm going to start off with some Bisquick, or if you don't want to have Bisquick, you can also just use the off-brand mix, the bacon mix, I think it's called. You can do that. But we're going to start off with 2 cups of this Bisquick. I bought this Bisquick for some sausage balls for our little New Year's stuff. And so I said I'm going to use these little biscuits. Use this Bisquick up. Alright, I got me 2 cups of this Bisquick. Now, I'm going to go in with a 1/2 cup of Sprite and 1/2 cup of some good old Daisy sour cream. You can use whatever brand you want, honey. It ain't going to affect you one bit. So, make sure I didn't drop it or anything. That'd be my luck. I think I'm going to go in with the sour cream first. 1/2 cup. This little squeeze thing is just handy dandy. I got on sale for 99¢. Otherwise, I'd be probably dipping into the food line carton. All right, got this in here. Now, get all this out. Then we're gonna be adding our Sprite. I forgot a spoon. All right, now in goes the 1/2 cup of Sprite. I don't know if you can use the diet. I have not ever done that, but that's a good question. If anybody answers or has done it, let me know.
Let us know in the comments.
Let us
know in the comments if you've ever used diet Sprite in your biscuits.
Yeah.
In the Sprite biscuits.
Good old Sprite biscuits.
Hey, they're good. I was very skeptical when I heard of them. They became really popular.
Yeah.
It was like a TikTok thing long before a TikTok thing, wasn't
yeah,
it? I can't remember how they got real known, but
yeah.
I can remember, you know, it was like, well, I've heard of that Sprite thing.
I don't think I got enough fluid in here. I'm going to add just a little bit more because we want them to be nice and moist at least, because we're going to flip them out here and start rolling them up. I'm going to add a little more sour cream too. Maybe that little measuring cup, I didn't have it right. I don't think I had it all the way to the top. So that's my bad. We'll give this just a little mix up. Y'all know how it is. You have to eyeball stuff and look at it. If it looks too dry, chances are it probably is. Now, I'm going to get in here with my hands. Use what God gave me. And we're going to get this mixed up and flipped out. Now, I will tell you, I have done this 2 ways. I have did the whole like I'm about to do, cut it out. But you can add a little more liquid to it and just flop it out. You know, you take a spoonful and do like the spoon biscuits. So, however you want to do it. Alright. I also need to get my, I'm going to add a little more liquid, y'all. It's dry. Might need to rethink that. Alright, now she's loosening up some on loosey-goosey here. Alright. This is what kind of the consistency you're looking for, like right this. Like so. And like I said, you could put them like this and spoon them on your pan and not roll these out. But we gonna roll them out. Let's move this out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan out of the oven so that, let me wipe my hand. Pan out of the oven so I can go ahead and get this butter melting on there, because as soon as I get this butter melted and I get these cut out, I'm gonna put it right on top of that melted butter, y'all. It's gonna be so good. Trust me. We'll do about maybe about a half a stick. Well, it's not quite a half a stick. Maybe about 3 tablespoons of that. All right, now good part. Let's get this out the way. I'm gonna just sprinkle some of this on here, just like so. We're gonna dump them out. I know a lot of people are just scared to death of doing biscuits, and they're really not as bad as you might think, but I have given you some options for some, just some really quick biscuits like that biscuit mix. Honey, them things are good. All right, we're just kind of getting this so it's like a soft dough. I'm gonna turn mine just a little bit. I don't put my hand back in that. Cross-contaminating anything, we ain't trying to do that. All right, I'm just turning it a little bit so it'll have layers. That's all. Turn and burn. All right. Now, she's soft, she's pliable. And I'm just gonna cut these out. Now, let me get my little pan there. It's ready. Ready Freddy back there. We'll set it right on here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now, I probably should have used my smaller cast iron. I'm thinking that right now. Lord. I better burnt myself up. Showing y'all how to make some Sprite biscuits. Alright, in we go. Just cut them like so. I always throw them a little bit like that just to get some excess flour off of them. We'll give it another little cut here. Boom! In she goes. I'm just going to finish these off. I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me do all of this. But we gonna get these biscuits in the oven, like I said, 450 degrees. Listen, people mess up with biscuits. I got hair in my. People mess up with biscuits by not cooking them hot enough. And honey, don't cook your biscuits on no 350. Don't do it, because they're not gonna turn out. You gonna have like little hockey pucks and little weapons. That's all you gonna have. Take somebody out with your biscuits. But make sure you want biscuits to cook hot and fast. So 450 degrees, baby, that's where we're at. All right, I'm gonna finish these up, Russell.
All right.
And in the oven they will go. All right, y'all, look at there. I made these biscuits. I was thinking that I wasn't gonna have enough, but look here, I even got this little fella left over. I'm gonna just plop him in there. How about that? He's cool. We ain't trying to waste nothing, right?
Waste not, want not.
Waste not, want not. Oven's ready, 450 degrees, and I'm gonna let these cook between 12-15 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when we're done. All right, y'all. Voila! Biscuits. It took 14 minutes on the nose, and I've spread a little butter on top. We about to dress these up with some jelly.
Man, they look good.
They do look good. I got butter on my knife there. Nothing crazy. Let's see at the bottom. See the bottom?
Ooh-wee, it looks
Crispy on the bottom.
Just what you want.
Yes, crispy on the bottom.
There's nothing better than a hot
soft biscuit in the middle.
Ain't nothing better than a hot biscuit,
No,
y'all.
you ready to try it?
I am. I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to get you some jelly, get you fixed up with some butter and jelly.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Y'all, we got these biscuits ready to go. Got him some good old strawberry preserves on this.
We ain't had these in a long time.
The Sprite Biscuits we haven't, because I've been making those other ones.
Yeah, the Formula L.
Yes.
They're really good too.
They're good too.
Yeah.
This is a good biscuit as well.
Yeah.
It's just some easy ways to
They're
do
easy.
it.
They really are. They're easy. Yeah.
Listen, I had whipped up these biscuits in less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, you can't beat that, y'all.
No, it didn't take but a minute. And they're so good. You can make them and freeze them and bring them out, make breakfast sandwiches and all kind of good little things.
Well, let's just see if they're as good as they used to be.
All right.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I already done sampled.
He had the little one. Remember the little feller?
The little fella's gone.
But you didn't have no preserves on it.
No, I did not have any. And you know what she just did for these preserves? I just heard the seal go.
Oh, yes.
So this is as fresh as it was made yesterday.
Yep, right from summer.
Right out the jar, y'all.
Yep.
I can't wait. Oh, it's going to be good.
Good stuff.
Mm.
And you know, with this biscuit mix also, you can still do like the bowberry biscuits. Add you some fresh blueberries in that.
Ooh, that's good,
and a
y'all.
glazed honey. Good stuff.
Ooh. Y'all, I can't tell you how good that is.
I didn't know where you was going when you said, do you know what she just did? I was like, oh, what did I just do?
Oh, I'm telling you, that listen, y'all, canning, it's an art, I know, and a lot of people are intimidated by it and all that, but if you ever learn that it's we're in wintertime,
yeah,
it's January, that taste takes you right back to summertime. It's like them strawberries have just been picked, and I mean, this is as fresh tasting as you can get. I mean, it's amazing how good that tastes. It really is.
And if you ever start canning, honey, it's addictive.
It is. It's fun. It really is fun. Me helping her this last year.
Yeah.
It was fun. It was fun doing.
But good old I'm about to mess up.
7-Eleven.
7-Up. You can use
Biscuits.
7-Up. You can use 7-Up. You really can.
Really? I didn't know
You
that.
absolutely can. That was one of the things too. There's some that's been called 7-Up biscuits.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, these are delicious.
You just
These
need
biscuits
some
are delicious.
lemon lime concoction of some sort. But Sprite it is today. Sprite biscuits, and I would say 3 ingredients, but it is 4 because I'm telling you that butter makes a difference.
The crunchiness on the bottom. Oh man.
Crispy on the bottom, soft, and just like a pillow in the middle.
Fantastic.
It is good, ain't it?
Delicious.
So y'all, something else easy, and I hope you try it.
Give it a try and let us know, y'all.
Give it a try. Like I said, you can even make these ahead of time and freeze them. So you can whip them out on your kiddos and all you people. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yes, thank you very much.
For loving on us, hanging in there with us through all our little shenanigans. I know sometimes we might be hard to watch.
We ramble sometimes. We know.
We ramble, we do. But anyway, y'all, until next time.